Hello, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about a few things you can do to boost up your online presence and get some business come to your door. And those few things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason that I shoot this video is because this is my way of giving back to business owners and showing them some things they can actually do themselves to grow their business through their website. And sometimes they reach back to me and we work something out, work together. And sometimes they take this attack plan and run with it themselves. Either way works for me. So if you would like to reach out to me after you see the video and you like what you see, I'd be more than happy to set up a time to talk. Yeah. So yeah, you do need a website to take advantage of these tricks, and you need a good platform to build on that allows you complete control so you can utilize these tricks properly. I build on two platforms. I build on WordPress and I build on Snaps. Both platforms are easy to use and allow complete control over what happens on your website because you own it. And then once you get your domain and you start building your site, pay attention to your content. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. The homepage being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google, and you want Google to stay on your site longer, crawl your other pages and the content on your other pages because it's looking for the keywords that somebody would look into or somebody would put into the search engine to find your service. So keywords such as like this here, deck repair, Norfolk, Virginia, that would be an example of what we call a buyer intent keyword where somebody's actually looking for deck repair in Norfolk. So you put that in the search engine, and then sometimes you see local ads pop. And then the next section you see down is the map section here. And then down here is the organic section. So the first page of the organic section is really where you want to be climbing your website to, and especially up here to the top spots here, because these generate the most traffic for any given search, for any given service in any given area. So you want to really climb up here into these top spots. So, and you can see here we have a directory. This is a directory. This is a directory. We get a directory all the way down to there, that deck doctor. So that deck doctor there would be considered your top competitor for this search. So I pulled up their front page. And we pull up their website here. So here you see Deck Doctor's homepage here. Kind of go down. There's a form there to fill out. There's their services, a little bit of content. It looks like they have pictures of recent work, and then there's another form, and then that's it. So it does not appear that they have the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their home page. So it would be easy to beat them there. And then I use this tool here. It's called Ahrefs, and what this tool does is it tells me what's going on with a website and how it's performing per Google. And you can see here is Deck Doctor. There's that top competitor for that search. You see here they have a UR rating of 9 and a DR of 0. So these are Google's power and trust flow numbers. And these you want to drive up, especially this number, to somewhere between 20, a 30, maybe above a 30, get it up there. But that would be a very powerful website. It takes some time to get there, and you can do that though by utilizing these tricks. And you can see here they are getting 52 backlinks from 12 referring domains. Now, backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. Other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, so Google places you higher in that organic section. Not just any link is going to work though. They're not all the same. You don't want something irrelevant from like Pizza Hut or anything broken or spammy. You want good relative links relative to your industry links, linking back to you. Because if you have anything else there, that would actually hurt you. And you can go after the same links that your competitors are using, because if they're powerful enough to rank them, they're going to be powerful enough to rank you. And also you can see here that they're being found for 72 organic keywords and are driving 52 organic traffic to their website in a month. So you can click on the keywords and then see which ones that they're being found for. So, and then you can pluck them off and then build them into your content. The good deck builders, Hampton has a 50 search volume in a month. Deck repair, Hampton, Virginia, 60. Deck repair, Norfolk, 60. Decks, Hampton, that you might want that in there. Deck repair, Virginia Beach, 90. That's monthly search volume you want to be a part of. So you can pluck all those good ones off and build them into your content right along with the linking. And then that drives your website up higher in this organic section on that first page of that search. And then you come back up here to the map section. This is where your Google Business Profile would come into play. So you build yourself out a profile and then take the name, address, and phone number from that profile and go get it listed in directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, other social media, any place you can list your name, address, phone number. Those are called citations. You get as many citations as you can. Google finds them all and points back to you and pushes your profile up higher in the map section. So once again, the content, 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page with the keywords built into it, the buyer intent keywords and the linking, pushing you up higher in the organic section, and then the citations pushing your profile up higher in the map section. So you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, which I'm totally cool with, or you can give me a call back and I'd be more than happy to speak with you further on it. This is my website. You can email me back. You can reach me here. You can find me on Facebook. You can call me at 262-947-4860. Again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.